Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have seen that how to upload files in Azure storage. In this video we'll learn how to delete the file from Azure storage. Let's quickly open the code. I already have the code ready and we will go through with the code line by line to understand what exactly or which line is doing what. So here we have the container first line and then we have the connection string. So I will quickly show you from where we can get the connection string. So let's quickly go to the Azure account, and I already created the storage account. Just open the storage account and just collapse it and go to the access keys, and you can use either key 1 or key 2. In my case I used key 1, and just click on show and then copy to clipboard. And then go here and change the connection string. So in your case the connection string would be different. So here we have the blob service client where we are giving the connection string, and the second line is blob container client. So here we are creating the object for container. So here we are passing the container name, and then with this method we will get blobs. With this method we will get all the blobs which is associated or uploaded inside the container. And now we are looping through as it is blob. You can just keep your cursor here and get that what exactly it is. Azure storage, azure.storage.blobs.models.blob items. So this is blob items inside the blobs. And then we are quickly going through with the for each loops to get all the files. And here we have the container client and then get blob client with passing the name of the blob. If you go to the Azure and go to the Azure account, let's go to the overview and let's wait for some time and click on blob service. You can see that, click on container, you will see that only 2 files we have here and we are trying to delete it. So it will pass here the name. In first case it will sample file and then test file, and then I'm calling this delete if exist async. So there is a couple of method. If you just go to the blob client and then do the dot, you will see that delete is there and delete async is there. So it is based on the object it is asking for. So in this case, if you go here, you can just select it and quickly go into this. Let's do this one. So it is simply deleting the object. It is asking for some snapshot as well. So if you give the snapshot, based on the snapshot it will delete the object. So I will create another video on this. So in this at this time, just take this method delete if exists. So let's put the breakpoint here and here and call this method into the program.cs file. Await Azure object. I have created an object of the class here and then calling this method. Just comment the upload one because we don't require to call it. So let's quickly run the program. So the code came back here. Just put the breakpoint on blocks as well. Just click on continue. You can see that the Azure blob service client is created, then the container is created, and then if you just put the breakpoint on for each and click on continue, and then you will see that blob items has been created. So now we are traversing with the blobs. Let's quickly execute it, F5, and then you will see here the sample file.txt file as I shown earlier. So now just go through with this, and one is executed successfully. Now for next file see the file name has been changed, testfile.txt, and then I click on F5 or click this continue button. Okay, so now the program has been completed. You can see that you click here to close the window and then come back on this Azure storage and just refresh it. You can see that there's no blob, so the file has been deleted successfully. So this is how you can delete the blobs from the storage account. So in the upcoming videos we'll learn multiple videos on Azure. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.